Okay, whenever you're ready.
So we're going to install the spigot, so the homeowner can either attach a standard garden hose to this or bring a bucket and fill it up and carry it to further away plants in her front yard. This is a bulkhead fitting that came on this tank. These come in a variety of sizes, anywhere from 1/2 inch to 6 inch. This is a 2 inch. We used a reducer to bring it down to 3/4, which is the size of a standard spigot. We're going to wrap Teflon tape around the spigot connection. You want to wrap it about 3 layers thick. This ensures a good seal and that no water is going to leak through whatever space the threads might create. Okay. Then you just screw it in. With plastic, you want to be careful not to go too tight. Tighter than hand tight may risk cracking the plastic. I'm just going to go as tight as I can with my own bare hands.